Good day, beautiful people. I'm Justina and welcome back to my channel, DIY Natural Skincare. So today we're gonna make a DIY Yoni Wash. In other words, it's an intimate wash for females. So, few ingredients here. Yes, all the recipe as usual you will find in the description box below. So I have in here already a mixture of the Xanthum Gum and vegetable glycerin. So just to make sure it's mixed very well. Then I have in here weighted out already distilled water. To this I will add, I'm gonna add Neroli Hydrosol. I will add the Neroli Hydrosol, which is 11.4 grams of the total recipe. I love how it smells neroli and it's really good. You can use a hydrosol, you can use aloe vera gel or anything you like. Just for this, because it's for intimate wash, I don't want to use any of the essential oils. So a little nice smell, floral smell will come from Neroli Hydrosol. That's why I'm using hydrosol. Then I'm gonna add a surfactant, a cleaning agent, which is Coco Glucoside. I will add 1.5 gram of surfactant, which is gonna dissolve pretty easy in the water. 1.5, yeah, and just gonna give a gentle stir, making sure that it won't get foamy. Okay, and now I just need to add a vegetable glycerin and Xanthum Gum mixture into this consistency as well. It's only a few ingredients, it does the job, and it's all natural. Yeah, and now I'm just gonna add a vegetable glycerin and Xanthum Gum. And just mix it truly, making sure that vegetable glycerin and Xanthum Gum is completely dissolved in this in your wash. Okay, so to help me out, I'm just gonna take this little foamer here to help me to make this gel consistency. Okay, and that's how all the Xanthum Gum it's gonna dissolve and everything, it will be in a gel consistency. Yes, I can smell a little hydrosol. You won't be able to smell it as you see here, yeah. Okay, so what we have to do now, we have to check the pH levels before we adding our preservative. We do need to add our preservative because it's a water-based formula. So, okay. So as you see, the pH, it's like in here, it's like green. So pH will be around 8 or 9. The thing is, we need to get, for intimate wash, we need to get a pH between 3.45 and 4.5, okay? So it has a little, it kind of has a bit of more acid than you will use a product for your face wash, because for a face wash you will use, for body, it's usually between the 4.5 and 5.5, but for the intimate wash, it has to be a more acid wash. So we're gonna add, to lower the pH, we need to add a little bit of the citric acid. Okay, a little bit of the citric acid. And now we mix in again. Okay, checking again the pH before we add our preservative. And what's the pH? I see the pH level now is about 4. So what I will do, I'm gonna add a little tiny bit of citric acid again, just to lower it more. And mix it up. Let's check now. That's 2. I need 1 for now. Okay. And this is fine. This is between 3 and 4, so it's about 3.5. As you see, it got like a dark orange color. So now, when you reach your pH level, wherever it needs to be, you just adding your preservative. So Preservative Eco is 0.3 grams for this recipe. 0.3, 0.26, 0.28, and another 1.3. Okay, mix it all together. And checking the pH, hopefully for the last time. And yes, it's perfect, as you see. Okay, and now I'm just gonna transfer it into I got this is new, and it's empty. It's a silicone, like a little container, as you see. So it's really cool for a shower, yeah, instead of using plastics. So I'm just gonna transfer everything in here, and that's your DIY Yoni Wash. Done. Few minutes and it's done. It's all natural, with natural preservative, and it's safe to use. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next week. Bye!